This time, let's use Topology brush to form a belt. BTO. I have my symmetry on so that I only have to draw on one side. By default, Topology brush will snap onto any vertex I hover over. Snap and start drawing a curved line just before the symmetry line. Click and drag to the right. Some vertical lines to form closed faces. Green dots will appear showing closed faces where there are 3 or more points. The orange faces are just previews and editable. Hover close to the end of the curved line to extend or continue the line. Extend the lines when the circle at the end turns green or a red tail appears. Proceed to draw some vertical lines to form closed polygons. It doesn't matter if the lines are crooked as long as there are 3 or 4 intersections to form one closed face. Removing lines, press alternate. Draw a curved line over the unwanted line to delete, or press alternate, click and drag on any polygons to clear all stray lines which are sticking out. Turn off Z-plane picture to draw the back of the belt. Sometimes the front end and back end of the curved line is very close to each other, so I can easily extend the wrong end. Snap off to identify which is the correct end. The curved line facing the camera does not disappear when I snap off. Try zooming in or extending the snap distance to avoid this mistake. Understroke, curve modifiers, curve snap distance. Try 50. There. Now the snap line is much longer and easier to snap on. If I draw a line without snapping, it will form a new curved line like this. So make sure to snap onto the end before drawing a line. Let me close up the belt at the back. Join the belt where the symmetry line is so that the curved line forms a complete loop around the waist. Finish up the belt with a few more faces.